Hello everyone! Today we will talk about battement tendu. Battement tendu and plie, this is a basic of classical ballet dance. Without the correct performance, it will be difficult to achieve high performance technique. In addition, spending time on executing basic knowledge now, you will be able to prevent possible injuries in the future. Let's start studying this important exercise. The first thing, you need to start learning ballet exercises on the floor for the feet, teaching you how to properly point toes and turn out your feet. It is difficult for a child to immediately understand what he/she needs to do. So I usually explain with the example of the hands, that we need to point the toes of the feet into a fist and push down, just as we do with the hand. Be sure that the child stretches the entire foot completely. This can be checked by pressing on the Achilles tendon. If it is firm when touched, then the child has stretched the foot correctly. The first exercise is just for this. You need to sit on the floor, straight your legs in front of you, back is straight, head is also straight. First put your feet together. Then in out first position. After the circular movements of the feet forward and back, each exercise should be repeated 8 times. The follow exercise is aimed at making it easier for the child to understand how to properly keep the feet in turned out position. It is convenient to use the bow for this. Just roll the bow in straight and out position forward and to the side. It is very important to pay attention to the knee during bending in the out position forward. It should be directed exactly to the side. Not all children manage to point toes at once. To do this, you need to do daily exercises for the development of the feet, and here are some exercises that can help you with this. Later, these exercises can be included in your warm-up routine. Yes, hello.
May I come in?
Did you subscribe already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come in. The first thing to start with at the bar is the position of the body. The first position of the legs. The lower part of the abdomen rises up. The buttocks are retracted. The shoulders and hips are in a straight square position. The head is straight. Support of the foot on the last toe. Let's start with battement tendu to the side. We transfer the body to the left leg, and at the first count we open the leg to the side, sliding the foot on the floor. The toes are always on the floor, and at the end they straight out. The heel of the foot is turned exactly to the side. Having fixed the stop on count 4, we also close the stop on 4th counts. When we open the foot forward, it is very important to maintain the turned out position of the foot, so the foot should start moving from the heel. and then the toes should follow it. When the foot closes, the toes begin to move first, and the heel follows after. When moving the leg forward, the hips should remain in place. The back leg opens with the whole foot. It is very important to start moving from the toes, while the head should be turned to the floor and the knee to the side. You should first close the heel and then the toes, but at the same time, you need to keep a straight line of the foot. The body during the entire battement tendu, no matter which way you open your leg, should be in a square, especially for the two shoulders and two hips. In conclusion, let's look deep into the method of opening and closing the foot to the side from fifth position. First, the support leg is placed exactly in a straight line. Then the working leg is put forward. When opening to the side, the leg passes through the first position and closes in the same way. The toes should be exactly behind the heel. Thank you for watching our video. I hope it will be useful to you.